everyone, so this is my mess. When I first moved into this house, I just kind of threw everything out on these shelves in my garage. Nothing is organized. I need to get things together. And that is one of my New Year's resolutions, is to go through and organize my things. So anyways, I'm going to get started, and then I will come back and show you, hopefully, some progress. So I honestly have dishes and chargers and placemats and tablecloths all over my house. So the first step was to put all my chargers in one place. I have every color imaginable. Here's a light blue. I have my black and gold that I just bought, and they're so heavy. These are the ones I usually use for Thanksgiving. And then on the very bottom, I have those, well, it's hard to do this one-handed. They're a navy blue or deep cobalt blue with the gold trim. These, of course, I use for Valentine's Day. And these green chargers I just bought at Goodwill. These are just plain silver. These here are the white, antique white ones I always use. And same thing here with my golden chargers. Over here I have red, buffalo check, a plain gold, and these I use during the fall. They're old, but I still love them. They're a wooden, dark green charger. So that is the first thing I have done. And my son had bought these home from work when they no longer needed them. They are industrial strength. I hope they hold the weight. But first things first. So there are all my chargers organized. So down here on this shelf, I have started to put some of my dishes. These are those gorgeous dishes I found at Goodwill. They are butterfly metal hydrangea by Lennox. Beautiful. And then I have some depression glass in the yellow, and I kind of paired them over here with my lemon dishes that I had bought at Home Goods a couple years ago. And then I put some of my lemon things over here. This, can't pull it out, but it's a lemon. It's like a bread box. I have some cobalt blue. This is real pretty with lemons on it. A lemon pie. And anything yellow and blue, I kind of set over here on this shelf. So I've got this bottom shelf I'm going to work on next. I've got my Rae Dunn cups on the floor. I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. Okay, so I have added some more dishes out here with the yellow and blue things. These are real pretty. I found these at Goodwill. And they are made by, they're called Blueberry, and they are Royal Doulton. Sorry about that shadow. And I just think those are gorgeous. And I also found my plain yellow plates. I love these. They, I don't know if you can see that. They have like a hammered look to them. And they're real pretty. So I've added those. Down here on the bottom, I have my sunflower plates. I just have white bowls, and these are those seascape kind of plates from Dollar Tree. And then I have these blue and white pumpkin plates, and these I love. I found these at Goodwill, and they're old. And they're pretty. See if I can read them. I don't know. Just says Japan on the back, but I know that they're old. I looked up the pattern once, but I forgot. I have some red crystal plates down here. I only found 2. I do have a set of those. And then over here, these are just some black plastic plates that I use for Halloween. And some decorative roosters here. And then my rooster plates. I love those. I have more plates than Carter has pills. And when you do a lot of tablescapes, like I do, you really need them. But storing them is always a project. And this is a big project because I have so many. These pictures, I'm going to try to find a shelf. I have several pictures, and I'm just going to try to group them together. As soon as I find more space, I'm going to start working over here now and emptying out these shelves. What I want to do is bring all my glassware in the house. I have a place to store them now because they take up so much room and I'm afraid they're going to break. So I'm going to empty out these shelves and add more dishes. So I'm continuing to add some dishes. I added those little black glass ones there. And these black and white mosaics. They're so pretty. And over here, I cleared off this shelf. Green plates. I use these during the spring. Red square plates. They look orange, but they are red. And these are those recent find that I found at Goodwill. And I got the whole set, 8 plates and 8 salad plates. And these are Pier 1 imports. Beautiful. I have just some white plates in the back. I do have a set of these. They must not be unpacked. These are my white and pink plates. I do. Sorry about the shadow. It's getting dark. These I just used in my last tablescape. I have these red and white ones I got at Dollar General for $1. These I always use. They're so pretty. And my good white china. This is china that I have a lot of. It's all been collected from the Goodwill. Just gorgeous. Here's one of the small bowls. This is, let's see, what does it say? Noritake china. And I have a bunch inside too of plates and different things. So I need to get that all together. And then I just have some, the big plates down here. So I'm still working on it. And I'm about done for the day. I'll show you where I'm putting my glasses. These I brought out too. These are also some more orange plates. They're kind of like a buttery orange color. I really like them. Use those for Halloween and fall. And believe it or not, I do have a set of these old dinner plates I've had for years. They must still be packed. And these are the plates that my niece Jennifer had sent to me. Beautiful fall florals, fall leaves. They're also Pier 1 imports. So I've got to make more room, and I'm going to continue to get my dishes in order. Santa, you have to go away. Come back next year. So this is my buffet out in my kitchen, and I decided to put my glassware here. I have lots more. I'm just trying to get everything in one one spot and organized. So I will continue on. It's time to stop for now. And it's getting dark. So I've made a lot of progress. I have a lot of my vases and pictures up there. My candle holders up here. That's not all of them. And my topiaries, a lot of my greenery, my decorative books over there, some Halloween, more decorative items. I got a lot of my vases down here, some more on the very bottom. Found some more dishes. I love these. They are so pretty. These are made in Italy. They're crate and barrel. And I did not use them for a fall tablescape this year, but they're gorgeous. I have 8 large dinner plates and 8 salad plates. I found most of my blue and white Noritake. I'm still on the lookout for cups and saucers. I only have the 2. But I tell you, I have a lot of dishes. Just a lot of dishes. And as I was unpacking, look what I found. A box I haven't even unpacked. Dishes. God only knows what's in there. But it will be so nice to have everything out and on the open shelves. That way, when I want to do a tablescape, I can just come out and pick, what I want. So that's all for tonight. And I probably won't come back on this video till I have it done. And I'll show you the outcome.